What's up, Cindy Michelle Love? It's just your girl Sid, and I am back with another video. Okay, so as you guys see in the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do different hairstyles with like 1 month old braids or 2 month, however long you had the braids in. I'm just going to be showing you a few different ways you can wear your braids versus, you know, just the regular side part and the middle part. So let's get into that, you guys. Before I get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all of the love of my other videos. Getting so much love my hair video. If you haven't checked that out, it will be at the end of this video, so make sure you guys go and check that out after. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I am back and I'm ready for this journey to be consistent and everything. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Also, disclaimer, if you see me looking ahead, I'm looking at a mirror because I decided to do this video in my room because for the simple fact of better lighting. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, shout out to my best friend for doing my hair, y'all. I've had it done for a week now. Basically, I just got a little bit of pink, and then in the back I got a little pink, like a little skunk stripe, you know. So yeah, I've had these in for a month, I think, or almost a month. So we got the basic side part. That is my favorite go-to. I love a good side part. I just feel like I look weird with the middle part, but yeah. Anyways, okay, so let's get started and I'll start showing you guys this hairstyle. First up, let's start with the swoops. And yeah, I did my edges so good today, I feel like. Yes. Okay, so the first hairstyle, you're gonna leave some out. And then you're gonna put everything up. So now that I got the ponytail, y'all, as y'all see, I got the ponytail. I'm gonna bring the stuff that I left out over, and I'm gonna bring this side under and over like this, as you can see, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my ponytail. I hope y'all guys can see this. I'm just gonna wrap it around my ponytail. So now, as you guys see, I got a little side swoop going on with this ponytail. Just how it looks. The side, it gotta be fixed a little bit more, but y'all get the gist. The back, the ponytail, this. So cute. You don't have to do a ponytail. You can do a top-notch bun, y'all. You can do a top-notch bun with this. It's so cute. I actually might wear this hairstyle today. I got a top-notch bun going on with the side bang. So cute. Okay. Next, side part. Little ponytail. And once again, take our bangs, and I'm gonna wrap it around like this. One ponytail. And then you got a little cute, little classy look, y'all. And then you also can wrap it in a bun and have a cute little bun. Cute, classy little bun with a side swoop. I know I'm messing up a little bit, but I'm just, you know, really just doing it just to show you guys the concept of the hairstyles. Next up, leave these two out. Do a split in the middle, as y'all see me do. And I'm just wrapping. I'm making 2 ponytails, y'all. Y'all probably already know what I'm about to do. Okay, so now we wrapping and doing the little buns. So now we got 2 space buns, y'all. This hairstyle is so cute. But this is the back, y'all. So cute. Or if you don't want these out, you can put them back. So adorable. So cute. I might wear this today. After the space buns, I love a good classy bun, y'all. I promise you, I love a good classy bun. And it's so cute. You can also put a hairband on with this, y'all. You can as well have the 2 braids out in the front as well. Let me fix it and show you guys. It's so cute. It's so cute! Oh no! It's back. Don't mind my kookaburras, y'all. This is so cute. Bro, I love it. Instead of a plain half up, half down, y'all could do the space buns with the half up, half down. So basically, I'm just doing my 2 buns after I left some hair out in the back. Yes. And then next, we got it. Oh, this is so cute. I am really like, wow. It is so cute. This is how the back look. It's probably messy, but yeah, you get the gist. Okay, so the next hairstyle, you guys, if you want to get a little more creative, you can take these out in the front, the whole front perimeter out, right? And then you can braid it or twist it. Let's do a twist real quick. Let's do a twist. Make it more easier. So it could kind of be like a crown up the top. I don't know if that's good. And you can take a rubber band and rubber band it. And then you could wear it like this and just have it like that, y'all. Or you can put it away in the behind your back. You could pin it and just have it like kind of like a headband type of thing, if y'all get what I'm saying. So I actually can tuck it in here. So basically, y'all get the gist. Y'all can have a little headband crown thing going on with a twist or a braid. Okay guys, last but not least, we're gonna do a half up, half down. We're gonna make sure the ponytail is really high. Put it really high. So now you got this high ponytail and hair out in the back. So a high, half up, half down. And you guys, you could leave it like this. But me personally, I don't like that out like that. So I'm going to, you already know, I'm going to make a side swoop. I'm gonna put it underneath my ponytail and I'm just gonna wrap the ponytail, the piece around the ponytail. So now I got a side swoop with a half up, half down, as y'all can see. This way. And it's so cute, y'all. Like, yes, get into it. But yes, y'all, that is the end of this video for these different unique hairstyles that I just showed you guys. Pretty simple, pretty cute, pretty fun and easy. So you guys can do this hairstyle whether you're going on a date night, going out. But just, you know, if you don't want to show any of this new growth, you know, you got you some little styles you can do. You guys just stay tuned. I'm super happy for this journey, for videos that I have coming for you guys. Stay tuned because I am back. And yes, so thank you so much, you guys. I love you. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel and haven't. I will be more than welcome to have you guys join me. And without further ado, that is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.